Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's see how to make tomato curry with green onions. Take 3 tablespoons of oil, heat the pan and add oil to pan. Half a tablespoon mustard seeds and half a tablespoon cumin seeds. Curry leaves are optional but taste good if you have. Add mustard seeds to the oil and then cumin seeds to the oil too. Let them splatter a little bit and turn slightly brown. Then add chopped green onions. I took 2 bunches of green onions here. You can take a little more if you want or a little less, it is also fine. At least 2 bunches taste better. Fry them very well until they are slightly brown and cooked well. But meanwhile, add ginger garlic paste. Fry until the ginger smell goes away, the raw ginger smell goes away. Onions need to cook very well. Color changes brown, lightly brown, but you can see the onions are softer and cooked well. Until then, you need to fry it. Add curry leaves, and if you have cilantro, fresh cilantro, chop it and add it too. That's optional too, because we are going to use coriander powder anyway, but fresh cilantro gives a little better taste. Take 3 very large tomatoes and cut them, chop them. If you don't have large tomatoes, take about 6 of medium tomatoes. I added half a teaspoon of chili powder, red chili powder. It's up to you how much you want to use it. If you don't want to use red chili powder, you can use green chilies or green chili paste or pepper. Salt, it's up to your taste, how much you want to add. Then add the tomatoes. Stir well, let it cook well. I'm going to add about half a cup of milk. Any milk is fine. And I don't measure, it's approximately just cook with the lid on for 10 minutes. The tomatoes need to cook well in the milk. So then add 2 to 4 teaspoons of coconut powder. It's a dry coconut powder is fine. If you have a raw coconut, fresh coconut, then you can make a paste of like 2 to 4 teaspoons and add it. Now I added like half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder too. And stir well and cover it up and cook it about 5 to 10 minutes. Depending on how raw your tomatoes are, cook for a longer time. And after 10 minutes it's ready, and take it out and eat with rice or bread. This is the easy tomato curry recipe. Try it, and if you like it, like, subscribe and share. and wait for more. Watch my channel for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you very much for watching.